Hello, this is Mrs. Flynn, and I'm going to show you how to select your course requests on My Louisville. So under My Day, when you come into Schedule, look along the menu for course requests, and when you click that, you'll get the course request information to read that tells you about how to select your classes. Underneath that, you'll see any selected requests on the right that have been preloaded by Dr. Aguilar. This will include your religion classes and any approved courses like AP courses. And there's nothing you need to do with them if they say approved. On the right, you're going to see all the departments, so you can begin by opening English and selecting an English class by clicking Request, and then you can close it back up. Open Math, click a request, close it back up. When you open a department, it's going to show the classes that you're eligible for, and it's going to hide courses you've already taken or courses that apply to a different grade level. If there's something you're looking for that you don't see, write it down and you and your counselor can work that out during your appointment. Another thing you'll see is a down arrow next to a class. So for example, when you request an elective, we want you to pick 2 alternates for that elective in case it doesn't fit in your schedule. There's 2 ways to add an alternate. The first way is to pick another class and click that down arrow and consider this an alternate for concert dancers in this case. We want you to add 2 of them. The other way to add an alternate is to click Add an Alternate and begin typing so that you can pick something. You can always remove and reselect something else. You can also change the order with the up and down arrows here. And you can also delete with the trash cans. So for everything that's an elective, choose 2 alternates, either by picking something over on the left-hand side or by typing it in. The final thing to do after you've got 7 classes for each semester is to use the Save button at the bottom right. And you might get a message that says you haven't picked enough courses. That's okay. It'll still save your work. That's about it. Good luck picking your courses.